There are many ways to transfer data from your Android device to PC. For instance, you can use the traditional USB method, Bluetooth, or apps like Xender and ShareIt. But do you know that you can also transfer files from your Android device to PC or vice versa using File Transfer Protocol? FTP is a network protocol for transferring files from one location to another on the Internet. The two locations in FTP are referred to as client and a server. The client requests the files from a server. File transfer using FTP can take place between two computers, one mobile device and a computer, or a cloud account and a computer. You may have heard the term FTP when someone is talking about a website. We usually use FTP to transfer website files from our computer to the hosting server. However, it can also be used to transfer files between two local computers, or any other two devices connected via the same network. FTP on mobile. FTP is a simple way to transfer files from your Android mobile or tablet to a PC wirelessly on a local network. Here, your Android device acts as a server and your PC is the client. This method doesn't require any USB cable or even Bluetooth. The only requirement for FTP on Android is that your Android device and PC should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you don't have the same Wi-Fi network, you can create a hotspot and then use FTP. Please keep in mind, Wi-Fi connections or same network doesn't mean that you should have a working internet connection. They are generally used alternatively, but they differ in their meaning. Even if the internet is not working and you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can still use FTP to transfer files. Things to do with FTP on Android. You can use FTP for three things. 1. To access your Android phone's files on your PC via Wi-Fi without using USB. 2. To send and receive files between Android and PC. 3. You can also perform actions such as copy, move, delete, rename, etc. on your Android files from your PC. To transfer files between an Android device and a Windows PC via FTP, you need to download a third-party FTP server from Google Play Store on your Android device. Some brands like me have a built-in FTP feature. For other Android devices, now follow me. Step 1. Download a third-party FTP app. To download, first go to Play Store in your Android phone. Just type Wi-Fi FTP server in the search bar. Download and install Wi-Fi FTP server app in your mobile. Open the app after it is installed. Click on Start button. Allow Wi-Fi FTP server to access photos, media and files on your device. Step 2. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have installed FTP app on your Android device, connect your Android device and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. So, turn on your hotspot in your mobile. Now connect your Android mobile to PC. Now right-click on your mouse. Go to Show More Options. Select Add a Network Selection. Click on Next. Choose Custom Network Location. Again, Next. Now enter the server URL here without any mistake. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Now you can see a network connection in your PC. It contains the different files in your Android phone. Now you can share any file from PC to Android device and Android device to PC. Please watch this video till end to know how I am sharing files from PC to Android device and Android device to PC. See how I am sharing files from PC to my Android device. see how I am sharing files from Android device to my PC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.